Good morning, State Line. If you had the chance to go out last night, it was a great view of the harvest moon out there. Take a look at this picture that Marianne sent in from Stillman Valley. You can see the harvest moon shining bright throughout portions of the area. As you can see here, I tried to snap a picture this morning, but there was so many clouds throughout the area that it made it hard. So if you did have the opportunity, it was a great view, but most of the area was dealing with mainly cloudy skies, and that'll be the story throughout the better part of today. We are looking at some sunshine starting off today, peeking through the few clouds that are out there before some showers and storms move into the forecast this afternoon. A cold front will be sliding into the area. Some of these storms could be potentially strong to severe as they make their way into the viewing area, so it's definitely going to be key to stick with us on air and online for details on the storms as they move through. Should move in right around the 3-4 o'clock hour and linger into the early evening hours tonight. So like I mentioned, it's going to be important to be weather aware, keep your eye to the sky throughout the afternoon hours. Because of the potential for some strong to severe storms, best bet's going to be throughout the late afternoon hours and into the early evening. And we're looking at some sunshine right now. If we continue to see more sunshine, that could help fuel these storms going into the late afternoon hours. Slight risk for much of the area the National Weather Service's Severe Weather Prediction Center has put us in. What's a slight risk mean? Well, you can see a marginal risk off to our west. The marginal risk is like stage 1 out of 5. We are at a category 2 out of 5 with the slight risk, so we do have the potential for some gusty winds and some heavy rain moving throughout the area. Those are going to be the major threats. The heavy rain and the gusty winds still can't rule out the potential for an isolated tornado and some areas of hail. Again, I'll say it again, isolated chance, not definitely saying it's going to happen. I think the best bet will be further to the east over northern portions of Indiana. Take a look at our Mercy Health sky cam here. Mainly clear skies, just a few clouds out there, but take a look. You can see the sun peeking through. Like I mentioned, while the sun's great, most days we want to see the sunshine throughout the area. Today, it's going to help fuel those thunderstorms if we see a lot of sunshine. So if we see more cloud cover, the storm shouldn't be as bad later today, but more sunshine is going to make the instability in the atmosphere that much worse. Partly sunny skies right now, temperature in the mid-60s, a wind out of the south at 7 miles an hour. That wind is going to pick up as well, gusting upwards of 25 miles an hour throughout the day today as that cold front approaches, gusts upwards of 30 tonight. Temperatures throughout the day today warming into the mid-70s throughout the afternoon hours, then warming to a high temperature near 78 today, well above where we should be for this time of the year. Temperature starting out this morning in the low and mid-60s, 64 in DeKalb and Rochelle, 66 in Rockford, 64 in Freeport and Monroe, 62 degrees to start off your day. Visibility still looking at a little bit of patchy fog throughout portions of the viewing areas you start off your Tuesday, so do take it slow as you're headed out the door this morning if you run into any of that patchy fog. Partly cloudy skies to start off the day. Wider view, you can see a little bit of rain off to our south and east moving from the Champaign towards the Fort Wayne area, and we can't rule out the chance of an isolated shower this morning. Better chance though as we take a wider view, you can see rain off to our west, and that's going to be moving its way in. It's associated with a cold front off to our west, and that's what's going to bring us those showers and storms throughout the afternoon and into the early evening hours, and cooler temperatures behind it. Futurecast mapping it out. Partly cloudy skies to start, then we turn mainly cloudy as the storm system slides off to our west. You'll see here right around the 2 o'clock hour, storms already firing up over portions of Iowa, and that'll track its way in through the viewing area, stopping the time clock at 6 o'clock. Much of the viewing area looking at some heavy rain and gusty winds, potentially some stronger thunderstorms as they make their way through the area. Then going throughout the overnight hours, we start to clear it out, turning partly cloudy, and then high pressure moves in for your Wednesday, and it'll keep us dry with just a few passing clouds out there. And then a slight chance moves into the forecast going into the day on Thursday for more rain in the forecast. Today, warming it up well above where we should be. Upper 70s, mainly cloudy, scattered showers and storms this afternoon and into the early evening hours. Low temperatures down into the mid and upper 40s, decreasing clouds late, turning partly cloudy for your day tomorrow. 64 degrees, windy though, still 7-day forecast. Take a look at this. After the sunshine tomorrow, we do start to see the chance for some rain returning to the forecast. Slight chance of an isolated shower can't be ruled out on Thursday. Better chance late Friday and going into the weekend for more scattered showers in the forecast. Temperatures, though, take a look at that. Cooling right down into the low 60s, upper 50s by Saturday with overnight lows in the low 40s. We could be flirting with the upper 30s, guys.
That'll be chilly, all right. Thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.